What is going on, guys? Jahman here, back at it again with a new video. In this video I have some sad news because unfortunately I don't have my Leica D-Lux 8 with me today because I dropped it. Aww. It's currently being repaired by Leica, but I've still got something exciting to show you. Today we're checking out 3 awesome accessories made specifically for the D-Lux 8 by a brand called JJC. And even though the camera isn't here, these accessories are still totally worth reviewing. The Leica D-Lux 8 is small, which is great for portability, but that also means it can be a little slippery to hold. It's just really tiny sometimes, too tiny. You know what I mean? Too compact. And that's where the JJC Camera Hand Grip comes in. This grip gives you extra stability when shooting, and let me tell you, the build quality is excellent. It actually feels like it belongs on a Leica, classy and solid. You install it by screwing it into the tripod mount on the bottom of the camera. And don't worry, it's designed to keep the battery compartment accessible. So no need to remove it every time you need to recharge or swap batteries. Next up is the JJC Thumbs Up Grip. This attached directly to the camera's hot shoe mount. It gives your thumb a resting point, and that makes a huge difference in shooting comfort. It feels stable, secure, and again, the construction is top-notch. It blends right in with the look of the Leica. And finally, we've got the JJC Wrist Strap. Now this strap isn't made specifically for the Leica D-Lux 8, which is actually a good thing, because it works with any camera that has a strap mount. I really like how it feels. It's secure and also detachable thanks to this smart little knob. Just press, slide, and boom. The material kind of feels like leather, though I'm not 100% sure if it actually is. Either way, it feels premium and comfortable. Before we wrap up, I want to give a big thank you to JJC for sending over these accessories and sponsoring this video. Even though I dropped the Leica, these accessories are the perfect match for it, and they really do improve the shooting experience. If you've got any questions about these or about the D-Lux 8, feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll do my best to reply to everyone, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, stay safe, stay happy, good luck.